Very good noon to all of you present. The screen is visible to all. Dara, Ahmad, Hiba, Ankam. Okay. Now see, today we are starting with your 9th practical. Implementation of graph and searching, DFS and VFS. Okay. We still have 3 practicals to go, 10, 11, 12. Alright. Implementation of graph and searching, DFS and VFS. Okay. So first we'll do your depth first search. This Dev C++ is visible, I suppose. Okay. All right. Now see, in this particular program, what we are doing is we are going to find out what are actually the number of vertices are. Okay. We will calculate an adjacency matrix for your graph, because I told you, if you remember that in the class I told you that actually the graph is represented with the adjacency matrix. Okay, we are not defining our graph like this, that okay, like somewhere here is one node, then there is a connected node here somewhere, or node here somewhere, or like that. Okay, it is being represented with the help of adjacency matrix. So that matrix we are going to form here. All right, and then from that we are going to start your DFS. Now do you remember your DFS? Anything about your DFS? Depth first search. Anything you remember? What is your DFS? Depth first search. Yes or no? You tell me, so that I can continue. Whether yes, then okay, then I'll continue like that. If no, then I'll explain and then I'll continue. Okay. Anyone? All right. See, in your depth first search, we are going to explore all the edges, or say all the V points. Okay, you remember this diagram? This diagram? Hopefully, yes. You remember this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we start with one source vertex, then what we see? All the connected, all the connected, which are the connected vertex from there. Okay, so from there, whichever is having the visited ones, we are marking it with some color. Non-visited ones, we are marking with the different color here, right? So like this we are going, but we are following the arrow like this. Okay, from 1 to 2, if we select that, okay, we are going to go to choose vertex 2, then we are keeping that, okay, from 2 I can go to 3. From 3, can I go anywhere? No. Anywhere means here. That route is already explored. So again you will go where? Next to 5. Because from 1 I can go to 5, I can go to 2, I can go to 5, I can go to this node. Okay. So like that, one by one you were exploring it entirely till you reach a point there all, or say where all the points are explored. So that is your DFS. So that is what we are doing here. Okay, we are building an adjacency matrix, and whichever is visited by us, okay, that particular matrix value, or say that particular array representation, we will keep it as 0. Okay, so see, that's why it is written visited is initialized to 0. We are calling a DFS function. Okay, now see, in the DFS function, what are we doing? I am printing here whichever node I am going to visit. Okay, so in the visited, the value will be 1. If it is not visited, okay, and it is still in the adjacency matrix, then again I have to apply my DFS. Okay, you see, if the node is visited, I will print that which node I am visiting. Okay, and in my array of visited, the value will be updated to 1. Initially, see, it was given as 0. Before, at line number 20, if you can see, all the values were initialized to 0. But as it is been updated to 1, that means you have visited that node. But again, I have to go and look for the next one also. So what is the formula? If the node is not visited and is the next one, or say is in the connected one in the adjacency matrix, then you do your DFS again. That's it. Okay, it is a very small program. If I run this, it will ask me the number of vertices. Okay, so number of vertices, let's say we will give this only, this example. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we will keep 8 vertices. Adjacency matrix of the graph. Okay, so I have to enter my whole matrix. So let's go and enter. Oh wait, I made a mistake. Okay. Students, just wait. My mouse is not working here. Okay, do one thing. Start copying this up. Start writing this. I don't know in Dev C++ why it is not allowing me to run the program. I hope the screen is visible. Start writing this part.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I write it in C++? Or no?
Ahmad, not able. Your voice is not clear. Can you please repeat?
Can I write it in C++?
Can you write?
Write this program in C++.
Ahmad, still not clear. Can you write in the chat? I'll read from there.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, yes, you can. Students, the code is in front of you. Kindly start noting it down. Once done, tell me so that we can do DFS then. Student, if this much is written by all of you, then you do tell me. I'll scroll down for you.
Then I'm done.
Everyone, or it is just Ahmad? Everyone finished writing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Try run. Try running the program.
It works. I share my screen.
What, Ahmed?
It works. Shall I share my screen or not?
Run the code. That is what I'm telling.
Yeah. I did it.
Running.
Yes.
Rest of you, did you complete? All of you. It is just Hiba and Ahmed. What about others? Yes, other students, those who have joined, or you have just joined for the sake of joining. Dara, Angam, Taufik, did you guys finish? This will take time. Dara, Angam, and Taufik, are you there in the session? All three of you. Did you finish DFS? Eba and Ahmed did give me the reply. What about you, Angam? Okay. Now, hopefully, let me check in your presence only who are left to be signed. Topic there in the session. Topic. Angam, yours is also pending. Can you see your name here in assignment 1? Your assignment is still pending, dear. And Topic, if you are hearing out, your assignment is also incomplete. Kindly do it by today, or both of you. See, I have uploaded practical number 6 and 7 to be done. Okay, and I hope you have uploaded your practicals. Let me just see. Ahmad, very good, all done. That too on time. Angam, everything is missing, dear. What are you doing? Assignment 1, all the practicals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Everything is missing. Start uploading. At the end, no one will help you out here then. Chianidhi also. Dara, where are you? Practical 8 and practical 5 missing. Okay. Ibrahim is not there. Rama is okay. Topic yours also. Everything is missing. Each and every portion is done till part. Let me send you all reminders in the respective group. Students, you start uploading your stuff, okay? For all those who are missing one or two things, kindly start doing it. You won't get time. And I won't be helping you out at the end because it won't be in my hands later on. I'll just have to then inform you what all steps are to be taken from my side then. Hiba, your things, where are you? Your practical 1, 2 and 8 is missing. Rest of you have submitted. You see, how am I supposed to, write, give you marks on such things then? Then you come to me and tell that, madam, you have given less marks. Now, if you're not submitting only here, how am I supposed to give you marks? On what basis? Even the attendance part also in your batch is a problem. Many of your friends don't come. Then later on they request me to pass them in the exam. How can I do that? I should have something, some basis on which I can pass you. And please don't think that like in third semester it was, you got some of the advantages and revivas were there and all that. It I'm afraid that this time it might not happen. Okay, so why to take the chance and take that risk? You better start doing all the things. I'm giving you time also. Like, I'm not even telling you guys that you give me tomorrow only. I give enough sufficient time. Still there are lots of missings. You should start with your documentation of practical 6 and 7. Okay, the deadline is 19th of September, 3 days from today. Okay, go and upload this practical 6 and 7. Today's practical I am not posting here in the classwork because BFS is left. We just did one practical BFS. Okay, BFS is left. So that's why I am not posting it here today. Okay. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm wrapping up the session here. Write your numbers in the chat and you can leave. Tawfiq, are you able to hear me out?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
You saw your missing work, right?
Yes, I will turn it today.
What?
I will do it by today.
There is lots of work to do. You think you'll be able to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
You
I will
want
try
to
my
see
best.
your missing number? You want to see your
Yes, I
missing
saw.
number? See, everything is missing. Whatever done so far from July 7 till September 8. From past 2 months you are not working. See to it that this is not repeated now onwards. Okay? You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
go.